Today we're taking you through the hunt for our first apartment here in Brisbane City on a 417 visa. We viewed 4 places, compared prices and layouts, and had to decide which one actually felt right for us. I'll show you the apartments we inspected, talk through what we liked and what we didn't.
Now, the first one that I saw actually smelled pretty bad.
And then reveal the one we ended up choosing. After that, we'll take you through moving day and give you a full tour of our new place. This morning we're heading out to see our first apartment here in Brisbane. We've been staying at Hanworth House for the last month and a half now, and our lease there ends at the end of November, so we're kind of in a bit of a crunch now. We don't have a ton of pay stubs yet to prove our income, so we're not sure how well this is going to go for us, but we figured at the very least we can kind of go, see how these viewings work, check out what the process is, and then hopefully on the next time that we go, we'll feel more prepared. We're just grabbing an Uber right now because we kind of didn't leave ourselves enough time to get there using only public transit. So we took the ferry across the river, and yeah, now we're just waiting on an Uber that will hopefully get us there in the next 15 minutes so we don't miss it.
So I've ordered an Uber and it's almost here. It ends up costing us about $10, $12 to get an Uber from the wharf that we're at right now to our actual spot. It's only about a 15-minute drive, so I feel like that's pretty good value.
Hello,
Number,
yes.
please.
So I'm pretty annoyed right now. We were on our way in the Uber to go see the apartment, and I was like, oh, I don't know what the details are, like what we have to do when we get there. So I went into the app and it was just canceled. They just canceled it. I didn't get an email about it, no notifications, nothing. So we were almost there. Had already spent the money on the Uber, and we don't have an inspection today. So yeah, I'm a little ticked off and disappointed about that, but we're going to pivot, and now we're just going to head downtown and pick up a few things that we needed anyways, and I guess we'll just have to wait for the next one. Today is attempt number 2 to see if we can find an apartment. Hopefully the 2 viewings I'm heading to right now will actually go ahead as planned. I haven't heard otherwise as of yet, so fingers crossed. They're both in the same building, just 2 different units, and they're both furnished, so really high hopes because we're running out of time. We kind of left it a little bit long, but at the same time, we couldn't really do it any earlier because we needed jobs, we needed a paycheck. It's just the order of things, right? So yeah, fingers crossed that this goes well today. I just took the ferry from the Maubury Park terminal and got off at Howard Smith Wharves, and now it's just about a 14-minute walk to the building. It's kind of raining pretty hard today. I'd say it was terrible weather, but yesterday it was 38 degrees, and a couple of days ago we had this really freak storm while Dave and I were out and about, and we were just getting pelted by hail, and it was wild. So it's actually quite a bit cooler today. So while the rain is, kind of gloomy, it's definitely welcomed. One thing I don't know if I'll ever get used to here is which way I need to look when I'm crossing the street. So it's just a constant head on a swivel because I'm just never sure which direction the car is going to hit me from.
I've arrived for the inspection. It is 12:48, so I'm a little bit early. So I called the reception and they said the agent will meet me out front. So just to wait here, hang tight. Luckily there's no overhang, so I'm not getting soaking wet. Again, fingers crossed that one of these 2 apartments ends up being ours because I really don't want to have to keep doing this.
So I just got back to Howard Smith Wharf after seeing both of the apartments, and there was definitely a winner for me. The two apartments were basically exactly the same. They had basically the exact same furniture. They had the exact same layout, you know, included fridge, dishwasher, washer, dryer, air conditioning, everything like that. They both had the same views. They were on the same side of the building. They were, I believe, southwest facing. So basically we had a view of Story Bridge, this bridge behind me, from both balconies, both bedroom windows. Now, the first one that I saw actually smelled pretty bad. So I know they're gonna clean them in between tenants, but it wasn't our favorite. But the second one was actually on one of the higher floors, and it was really well taken care of by the prior tenants, and it was really nice. So we really want this one. Fingers crossed, this was the last viewings that we had to do. And I'm just waiting for the ferry now to head back home.
We did end up seeing 2 more apartments. Dave viewed a place that was about $70 a week cheaper than the ones I had been looking at, but it definitely felt lower quality, so we decided not to apply for it. I then saw a 4th and final apartment, which I really liked. We actually put in an application and were approved, but in the end we decided to go with the second apartment I had seen earlier. Both were really nice, but that last one was higher than what we had budgeted for rent. And since we were approved for the second apartment on the same day, we chose to take that one instead. It's moving day, and as you can see, we have not fully packed up yet. It's just after 6 a.m. I have to leave at 7 a.m. for work. I'm doing a half day today, and Dave's got the day fully booked off. But yeah, right now we have to move everything out of this room and into an office because they need to prep this room for the next tenants moving in. And Dave's gonna go get the keys for 9 a.m. And then once I get off work at 2:30, we're gonna come back and get all of our stuff and move it into the new apartment. All right, this is pretty much all of our stuff. Actually, it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to. It's actually not nearly as much stuff as I was expecting it to be, and really we only have maybe another bag or 2 of groceries to bring with us that we still had left over. And Dave's gonna bring his backpack and our Nespresso machine with him right now, and he's gonna come with me on the bus so I can give him a hand if he needs it. And yeah, we're basically all packed up and moved out of the room now.
So I just got into the apartment for the first time. I was hoping to kind of film like I walk into it and then it'll be like the first reveal because I haven't seen the apartment before, but they obviously had to come in and show me kind of like where things are. So this is officially the first time I'm alone in the apartment. But yeah, it's really nice. I never saw this beforehand. Jess was the one who kind of like came in, saw it and set it up. And I feel like she really like underplayed it. She had said that it was a really tiny apartment, that it was gonna be like smaller than our bedroom, like the Marissa bedroom at Hanworth. It's not at all. This is a pretty good size. Like we have our kitchen over here, gas stove. I haven't found the fridge before. I think it's inside this. Found the fridge. All right, so I mean, like a full-size freezer is on. Perfect. Oh, we've been using, like, this is like a full-size fridge. We've been using like a really tiny fridge and storage space. Oh, it kind of just hides away. I'm also not sure what comes in this apartment. I know I'm kind of like scattered right now. I'm not sure what to say, but Jess is working right now. I took today off so we could move some stuff in, but I don't know if there's like plates, if there's dishes, okay, well, so we have some little appliances and the dishes and a microwave and some pots and pans. So I feel like we're pretty much set for that at least. And then we have the bathroom. Oh yeah. My biggest issue is usually like the showers are too short, but like I'm 6'4", I got some headspace still. Hopefully it doesn't drip water. Okay. Yeah, no, I think this is gonna be good. Is this open? Oh wow, there's a lot of storage here. Don't mind me. There's a ton of storage here. Okay. Perfect. There's air conditioning, which we've not had yet. And it was 38, 40 degrees this last couple days. Got a little tiny office here, a little desk. Jess and I can now work side by side. while I annoy her. Oh, there's even a TV in the bedroom. I don't know how big this bed is. It's 2 singles, but I think 2 singles is a king-size bed. Is this not? Nah, it's probably a queen. It's probably a queen. But still, we've been sharing a double bed for the last week and a half, which is not great. But also, look at this view. It's quite nice. Got a lot of foliage outside the window too. And we're in a really busy part of the town. It's like the clubbing district, but I can't hear anything. I can't hear traffic. So this is really quite nice. And then we have a balcony. It's just like, oh, I feel like this. Oh God, it's heavy, but it opens like an accordion. Look at that. Whole thing slides open, and now you can hear traffic. So I mean, these doors are super heavy, which means they must be really good at sound insulation. Oh yeah. Some nice plants here. Probably full of spiders. What a nice view. That bridge there, right across on the other side and this way, was where we used to live before. Good find, Jess. All right, well, I gotta, I guess, find out the things that we're missing because Jess is gonna get off work. We gotta move in and we gotta sleep here tonight. So I think I'm gonna have to buy some sheets and food. I should probably order some food, groceries. All right, well, that's the apartment.
So as we mentioned earlier, I got off work early today, so I swung by the new apartment and got to drop my bag off from work. And then we took the bus back to Hanworth House to come and get the rest of our stuff. And yeah, there it all is. Now we're just waiting for the Uber driver to get here. Dave booked a Super XL or something like that. Basically, it's meant for people who have extra bags, so hopefully this counts. And yeah, we're just waiting for him to get here, and then we'll be heading to our new place. So excited. I'm so excited to unpack everything, get groceries ordered. We still have to go out tonight and get, you know, sheets for the bed, stuff like that. But yeah, we're really excited. Excellent. No, they weren't kidding when they said it was XL. The guy's not very interested in doing this, but Dave's trying to negotiate with him.
All right.
That's it for our apartment hunt here in Brisbane City. We inspected 4 places, and in the end, we were really happy with the apartment we chose. Moving day was busy, but everything came together smoothly, and it already feels great to have our own space. If you're planning a move to Brisbane, I hope this helped give you a sense of what the search is like and what you can expect. If you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.